Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit slow glow effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application and I'm going to create slow glow effect for this video. If we want to do so, we can go to the effect menu right here, click on the effect and then you can choose video effect. Okay, and go to the lens category. Just click on the lens and you can choose soft effect. Apply this effect to your video and you can click on the check mark and you can make this effect align with your video. And the second one, you can apply edge glow effect to your video. Go to the effect again, I mean the video effect, and then go to the lens category and select the edge glow effect. Okay, and you can click on adjust and just increase the glow until 100 and click on the check mark and you can make the effect align with your video as well. And I'm going to reduce the speed of my video. We can tap on the video and go to speed, select normal, and then I'm going to reduce the speed. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit slow glow effect in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.